Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing essentials. Open Gemini and sign in. Once done, pick 3 reference photos showing your face, posture, and lighting. This guides realism. Next, craft a first prompt that states the style, mood, and key attributes: age, facial hair, outfit, background. Be concise but specific so the model knows which features to preserve. You should also choose image size ratio like 16:9 or square for profile use. Save these items before generating. You now refine the image by iterating. Start with a base prompt, generate, then tweak only one element per run. Change outfit, expression, or background to isolate effects. Set reference blending or strength to around 70 to 90% so your face remains recognizable. Lower strength if you want stylized results. Specify lighting direction and color palette to ensure cohesive images across variations. Once satisfied, create 3-5 variations. To compare and choose, you finish by selecting the best outputs and exporting them at full resolution with prompt notes saved for reproducibility. Then perform minor external edits. Crop, color grade, remove small artifacts, keeping skin tones natural and proportions correct. If results show unwanted artifacts, repeated face distortions, or inconsistent limbs, try changing the random seed, reduce style strength, or upload clearer reference images with consistent lighting. This often fixes hallucinated details. Finally, compare side by side and pick the image that reads true and professional.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.